Hi, I'm Chef Sabrina Tinsley, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to put together your tagliolini con pesto genovese. To put this pasta together, you'll need your pasta, which is the tagliolini. Today I have tagliatelle, but it really is the same principle. So we'll use the tagliatelle instead, but in your box you're going to get tagliolini. And then you'll need your pesto genovese, which is the classic pesto with basil, pine nuts, garlic, extra virgin olive oil, Parmesan, and pecorino romano. And if you'd like to embellish your pasta a little bit from your own pantry, you can chop up some cherry tomatoes, which I've done here, added a little bit of salt and extra virgin olive oil to it. And then you can also embellish it with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. We have this fine Vargnano from Emilia Romagna, which is fantastic. While the pasta is actually quite simple because there are only two components to it, it can be a little bit tricky to get it just right. So I'm going to demonstrate how to do that. We're going to drop our pasta in boiling salted water and just separate those a little bit with our tongs so that it cooks evenly. The pasta only takes between 3 and 5 minutes to cook. Tagliolini will take slightly longer, but really it's to taste. Those are separating while it's cooking. I'm going to go ahead and add my pesto to the mixing bowl and then add a little bit of pasta water to the pesto just to loosen it up. So you don't want it to be too watery, so add just a little bit at a time. And we'll go ahead and strain our pasta now that it's done. Okay, and we're going to want to reserve some of the pasta cooking water just in case we need a little bit more water. And I'm going to go ahead and add the pasta to the bowl and just start tossing. The tricky part about this pasta is that since there's cheese in there, you don't want it to be too hot, so you can't actually heat up the pesto. So the pesto is going to be heated up by the heat of the pasta only. All right, so that looks perfectly coated. I don't think I need any more water to this one. Looks great to me. I'm going to add in my tomatoes. Toss, and just a little extra virgin olive oil. Again, both of those are optional. And we're ready to plate. Okay, we're going to go ahead and plate up a portion. Ooh, that looks so good. It smells so good. Basil just pops. Tomatoes on top. And there we go. It's ready. Enjoy.